Hello and a very good morning to everyone. So just to quickly recap overnight news and this morning's trade. Firstly, we saw Chinese inflation data overnight, so the CPI and PPI numbers came in and they did miss on headline expectations. And then a bit later on we saw retail sales and industrial production out of China, again missing on forecasts, so we did see a bit of pessimism early on. However, this did then spark talk of stimulus from China, a potential cut to their interest rate and their triple R, so a bit of a turnaround in sentiment. European equity markets currently trading ever so slightly higher. In terms of the peripheral yields today, which have been in focus throughout the recent weeks, we have seen a steady decline. So Spain still a bit below 7%, and we have seen tightening against the benchmark German MUD today once again. Now, in recent trade, we have seen the euro-dollar just trip some stops to the downside, that making moves lower or causing further downside in other major FX pairs and crosses. And with this, we did see some weakening in terms of the equity markets. Did spur further talk. There was some chatter out there that the German finance minister has returned early from his holiday in order to deal with the crisis, which is ongoing and seems to be escalating in recent months. And with that, we have seen moves higher in terms of fixed income. We also saw the UK mini tender today. They did raise the expected amount, so 1.5 billion, fairly unreactive to that. We did see a bid tone in that line going into the auction results, but nothing too market moving. Now, looking ahead, we've got the US coming to the market with their 30-year, looking to raise 16 billion, so we could see some supply sway on the longer end of the curve. We've also got those weekly initial jobless claims, which have been holding steady recently, but will be quite interesting following the non-farm payroll number that we saw last week out of the US. But for the time being, that is enough for me. We'll have another video for you shortly. In the meantime, have yourself a great afternoon.